mall to do some back to school shopping for my nephew. He decided to buy a perfume and it's Raban. Yeah, Raban, and this is one of the top perfume for men. Right? See, so this is the deodorant, and you get the spray. This is the original, and you get a body mist with it. See, and it's from Macy's. Not very expensive, but expensive enough. Yeah, over $100. Yeah, so you can check them out at Macy's. Very nice, smells real good, and it's lasting. When it's spray on your body, it's lasts forever, I guess. Yes, so, and we did ask them for sample, and we get these cute little ones. Good girl, we get a few good girl, and we get an Invictus. Yes, so whenever you buy perfume, please remember to check them out and ask for samples. They do have samples, so you can get to sample the other fragrance. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for listening to me on this review for this perfume, and I will see you again in my next review when I do another one. Okay, bye.